Today, I'm going to show you how you can write code your own portfolio using Kimi K3 model and OpenAI. The thing is, one of my many friends, they're making portfolio of there, and eventually they code it day and night, and that's so exhausting because in this AI era, I can say it, everything makes we can speed up things up, and we can actually make our portfolio as fast as possible. So everything I did here I codedly, and if I click on the go live, it will start this. This is my profile portfolio, and it's completely vibe coded. I completely vibe coded it. You can touch here my work, and this is Mr. Whisker. I created it, and this is my name. And also, I'm excellent in Blender, by the way. I created with this, Blender and Three.js, JavaScript, and you can also play some violin. And this is the arrows. It's kind of cute, actually. You can contact me with my mail. Here's a mail you can see. And if you want to make something like this, contact me and I will show you my blueprint. And you can also write it in my account. So this is it.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।